So let's talk about myocardial regeneration. It's very funny because I talk a lot about the fact that Capricor was founded on that principle. We thought that CAP 1002, which is the commercial version or hope to be commercial version of the CDC's, the Cardiosphere-derived cells, was on the premise that we had found a stem cell that would repair the heart. And the biggest problem we would have is it became part of the interstitium that we would have arrhythmogenesis. However, what we learned along the way is that, in fact, the biologic action of the cells is to stimulate release of exosomes from the cells, which then stimulates endogenous repair mechanisms, reducing inflammation, fibrosis, driving energy production through stimulation of mitochondrial generation and stabilization, and then also finally driving cells back into the cell cycle to create new healthy tissue, in our case, muscle tissue. The most advanced program with the CDC's or CAP 1002 is our program in Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which is in late stage clinical development, where we've seen very significant improvements in skeletal muscle as well as cardiac muscle. In terms of using the CDC exosomes or EVs, which is extracellular vesicles, another name for exosomes as a therapeutic, we're very excited about that opportunity. They clearly have tropism to muscles such as skeletal and cardiac. They derive the same benefit as the cells and are yet much easy to prepare, to store, to deliver. And so we're pursuing multiple aspects of a clinical development program for those EVs over the next year or so. Thank you.